Okay, Rachel, I've got your work up here. Thanks so much for posting it in here. This is the best place to go. I couldn't really think of any place else to put it where everybody can see it if they want. So anyway, I think you mentioned, I'm pretty sure you mentioned last week that this stroke right here was just trying to demarcate the background. And that's great. Pretty sure, I don't really want to go back and look right now, but I'm pretty sure that that's what you said. So I just want to make sure that's not really there, right? Okay, good. But anyways, that's a really great idea. Whenever you show something that's got a partial white background on a white background, it's a really good idea just to place just a hairline 1 pixel stroke around the actual document size so we can see where the actual document ends and where the background begins. I think that you're looking pretty good here. We're talking consistency here. Rachel, that's all it is. I think that you're really well on your way. I'm okay with this white background on the color image. I think that there's a couple of techniques that you can use to make that transition a little, I don't know. I mean, I think that, well, in the magazine ads that I used in the announcements for the example, you can see they used a little bit of a color gradient right there, just to transition into the background. That's always a possibility. You could always gradate this just to fade into white, you know what I'm saying, with a layer mask. Or, I'm okay with it. I think it's fine. And I think it's fine over here too. Now, there's a couple of things consistency-wise that we have issues with, and that's typography. Okay, let's take a look at escape from everything. Then let's take a look at escape from everything. This type right here has been altered. You can clearly see it. It's been squished. It looks like it's been squished a little vertically. I'm sorry, horizontally, this way, to make it fit into this area. Okay, so the distance between your baseline and your ascender line is not the same as here. So that has definitely been altered. You do not want to do that in digital image, ever want to change the size of anything without constraining the original proportions. Okay, if that's placed in there, it's as simple as just holding your shift key down when you resize it. Okay, escape from everything. Escape from everything, escape from experience everything. Okay, this right here, I would remove the periods completely. Don't need them. Let's talk about the magazine ad first, okay? Remove the periods completely. Let's move this over here, and let's get some alignment right here. Try to establish an equal distance on your left and right margin. Pull a guide, left align your type so it appears right here. Oops. Won't let me do it. Here, I'm going to draw a box roughly right there for your left align your type instead of right align, okay? Align that with this book 4 nights, which you are also going to left align and reduce the size to at least the same as this. This type is just enormous. If you print it out, you'll see what I mean. This is center just. We don't want that ever. It's not good. Try to get away from centering things. I would say, again, that's going to be left justified. So the problem is this, is you've got right alignment here, center alignment here, left alignment here. So that's what I'm getting at. Let's left align this. Let's move this over, align it with that, left align this type, reduce this type size. That's fine where it's at. That's fine where it's at. That's fine where it's at. Make sure you have some alignment between this and this, okay? Now, moving to the, you'll want to, there's your URL. Okay. Over here, book now. Amethyst Bay right now, that's just stuck in there. You're missing half the logo is not visible because it's stuck where it shouldn't be. Let's do the same thing we're going to do with this ad. All right. Let's take that. Make sure it's the same. Use the same color too as your type. Put your escape from everything right there. Take that text block right there. Duplicate it. Put it right there so that this type equals this type. Okay. Then what you're going to do is left align that, okay? Now, what I would suggest doing here is we got to find a place for your logo. I mean, even if you have to take some of your image off, we got to find a place for the logo and the book now. That's going to be left align. That's going to be right there. You could feasibly put your logo right here and put book now right here. Okay, and I think that will really clean up the consistency. I also want to draw attention to one thing. Okay, you've got um, these like kind of turquoise colored the amethyst bay green, we'll call it. You have this vertical rule and this horizontal rule here, but they're not here. So let's take that design element, create some continuation, and try to fit that design element in somewhere here. Leave that up to you. Okay. All right. Hope my comments make sense. If not, just please feel free to let me know, and I will clarify. Okay. Thanks, Rachel.